The energy what the sessions have been brought to our school has been so infectious for the children. It has been an absolute joy and delight to have Phil in and to have all the children really embrace the hip-hop culture.
They've come out of his sessions feeling empowered, full of self-belief and exactly what we want our children to be full of.
I would really recommend Phil's sessions because I think there's something in there for everyone and the children get those from it. So, yeah.
First lesson I did, I thought, oh, all we're going to do it's like gymnastics, basically just dancing. I didn't think it was going to be like this.
Is it better or worse?
Way better, way better.
Marks out of 10?
10.